mirror on the wall, which is the sleekest of the all. Alright, so I have done a lot of mirror videos around my Interceptor 650. Today's video is also about that. But before we start this video, let me inform you guys that these bar end mirrors are actually for any handlebar. It's not necessary it's only for drag bars, because I'm sure these questions will come. By now I think we interact well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's start this vlog about my new bar end mirrors. Like, on serious note, I can't believe I received a parcel. I have not ordered these, alright. The ones which I was supposed to review was 3 months back. I don't know if this is that same shipment, but it says it's from Delhi. I'm as excited as you guys, and let's open it quickly. By the way, I've sanitized the entire cover. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted small size. Now guys, don't get too caught up on the size because it's tiny, and I'm sure people must be like, you can't see behind, but you know, the whole thing is I wanted something sleeker. But now I'll tell you the magic about CNC small size. See, as you can see very clearly in the mirror, the visibility is really nice, correct? See that? The visibility is really cool. I wanted the mirrors to be very close to the handlebar. That was my main theme, and that's why I chose this. And yes, obviously I have sanitized the mirrors also, cleaned them well. Now let me quickly talk about why I went for such small mirrors. If your bar end mirror does not have a screw bolt close kind system, then you can use this directly inside your bar. What it does is, when you start opening it from here, this thing literally opens like, you know, like a butterfly wing. So you have to directly install this on the motorcycle handlebar, which I have. Now the best part about these bar end mirrors is that if I want to go to the original setup, okay, basically the original handlebars, I can still use these because they are pretty good. You can either put them drop down style, which I prefer, or you can put it this way. That's the reason this will act like a bar end weight. It won't look like it's a setup of the mirror. And look at this, this is so sleek, so tiny, so nice. And I really like the finish. As you can see, I love this kit. Yes, a lot of people ask me about it. It's the Taparia set. You can see the details. It's available on Amazon. I think it's around 2000 rupees. It's really good, and Taparia is a decent brand. Okay, so I'm also editing my next video right here. It's that easy. Okay, and if you see this, oops, so this is how the screw system comes out. Now as you can see, the entire mirror is just out. This is it. I'm going to dismantle this, go down, fix this on my motorcycle, and then add the mirror. Okay, so to break the process further down, let me show it to you guys how this looks. Now I can use one more Allen key to adjust this, okay, and this is how the mirror actually looks. Tiny and cute, with a nice concave mirror or convex, I don't know. And so this is how the bar end weights are. If I do this, it'll just come off. This is stainless steel, which I really like. I'm sure nowadays on my channel you see a lot of DIY happening because it's a lockdown, and I think, you know, guys like to do a lot of things on their own, right? But I thought I'll make this video a little different way. Okay, so while Raj fixes the bar end mirrors below, I think we'll go towards my desk and continue this vlog. Usually for these bar end mirrors, I actually prefer the butterfly nut, because this can go deep inside and I can have this quite snug towards my grips, you know. That's the motive behind these bar end mirrors, because I want everything very sleek, very straight line, and drop down or top is completely your choice what you want to put. Well, usually handlebars are from 29 inches to 32 inches, okay. This is the original handlebar stock for Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, which I have preserved for my longer rides, which I will ever plan. So you can put the entire assembly of these bar end mirrors on even, you know, these kind of handlebars, and that's the best part about these bar end mirrors, and I really like them. You can even have a drop down look, whatever you prefer. So the point here is that the drag bars are standard size and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. However, I wanted the drag bars a little shorter. People who are actually following my vlogs will definitely know what I'm talking about. So I wanted the drag bars a little shorter, like more of an old school style. The hex keys, the Allen keys, are supposed to be L-shaped, and that's the reason they're designed that way, that they can reach places and for bar end mirrors they are a must. But as you can see in this kit, I get all tiny ones. The bigger ones come like these. Now this will not pass through the bar end weight which is provided for the mirrors. So that's the catch, and I still thought I should do this video, which is incomplete, especially for you guys. So you should consider this video as like an experiment, you know, and I need your comment that should I shorten the drag bars and then install these bar end mirrors, or should I put them the way it is. Now all I need is the right size of Allen key, and for that I have already contacted Vishal, who's like 5 minutes away from my house, and I can go to his garage or if he's passing by, and I will definitely conclude this in my next video. But the main thing here is that I need comments from you guys, okay? The majority people who will say that keep the bar ends the way they are and add these bar end mirrors, they look really nice, I will keep it. If they feel that I should shorten it 2 to 3 inches more down and then put the bar end mirrors, then I will go with that. Now I am a little biased towards shortening it. However, the chances that the drag bars can touch the petrol tank, which I don't want. To accomplish that, I will have to use risers. Yes, I will have to use aluminum risers which I can create, and that completely depends on your comments. So please comment down below that should I shorten the drag bars and then put the bar end mirrors, or should I just put it on the original drag bars which I have, which I will definitely vlog about, because you guys should know each step. And if you are my regular followers, then you will know, but new people who've joined this channel, please watch my previous vlogs, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Make sure when you step down, you wear your mask, you sanitize your hands, even when you go down, even if you walk around your motorcycle, it's very important. Okay, so I have removed the cover. I'm sorry about the crow noise, that's gonna happen a lot in my building. We will fire it up later. Let's keep the key. I've still not adjusted the fairing, so please excuse that. I've not still adjusted the headlight also properly. Didn't get the time, but I'm gonna do that now, maybe later. But today's video is gonna focus on these kick-ass mirrors. So if you don't have this on your motorcycle, then you can use the butterfly one. But I fortunately have this because I told Milind to do this for my drag bars, which is really cool. See, to check this, it's very important. Nice, right? Okay. While you install the mirror, it's very important that do you want a drop down look like this, or you want it on the top. I'm putting it on the top because the bars are already a little low, so it's fine and look decent. And installation of the bar end weights is tight. However, I can make it more tighter, but my Allen key does not go that much in. So it's very important you have the L-shape Allen key, which is very important. Okay, one thing I would like to advise people who are welding a basic screw system here, make sure you weld it a little inside, so this can go further in. I can actually do that later on, but right now it's a lockdown, so I'm not trying that. So this will be very compact, or you can add a rubber bush which comes along with other bar end mirrors, but this is how it looks. So I just thought I'll show it to you guys. So yeah, I don't like this gap. I'm definitely gonna shift the welded cap inside this much, at least half an inch, so that this will go more inside. It's best to take advice from my followers because they would also know how I like my motorcycles, okay? So if you have some better ideas, please comment down below, and that's why I made this video even if it's not successful. So I hope you guys like this video. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. 81% people watch my channel but do not subscribe. Yes, please subscribe to my channel, it's free of cost. And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto.